అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. వెరీ వెరీ హ్యాపీ మిమ్మల్ని అందరం కలుసుకోవటం. I think it's been a long time since we had events like these, and really happy to be here. First of all, very honored, sir, to be associated with Big C. We are the #1 mobile retail chain in AP and Telangana for more than 19 years now, and that's an achievement by itself, sir. Congratulations. And I'm really honored to be associated with you all, and I'm looking forward for a very long association, and looking forward that we both grow from here on. And I'm here to interact with you all after these gentlemen speak with you all, so I'm going to be sitting here for some more time. Thank you.
Before buying a phone, do you wait for Diwali or the Shara discounts?
Now I don't wait. The Apple, they just launch it every year, so whenever they launch, I buy a phone.
Of course. So no, whoever asked this question, thank you for this witty question, and no, he doesn't wait for that. Now, what do you think as a parent is the right age to give a phone to the kids? Now, this is a very important question in this digital generation, especially after lockdown when all the kids are expected to attend the classes. But apart from that, do you think is the right age?
It's very good question, interesting question actually. But if you ask me, I really don't know, because I think we gave a phone to our children very, very early. So, I don't know. I think 10 or 12, I don't know. So I leave it, because like you said, in today's scenario, I think, when schools are all online and everything is online, so I really can't answer that question.
Well, actually, yeah, he's right. It depends on different families. But, well, now, as a big star, phone is a very important, accessory to you. It's not just an accessory. Now, would you be really worried if you would lose your phone? And would you be worried? Now, this is a question I'm not asking. Somebody's asking. Would you be worried about the monetary value or the data in it?
Data, obviously. Scary. That would be. So, the data. Yeah.
Obviously, yes. Now, next question is, have you eagerly waited for a phone to be launched? Have you ever eagerly? I'm not asking which brand, but person has asked, have you ever eagerly waited for a phone to be launched so that you can buy it quickly?
To be honest, now I don't want them to launch any phone because they're launching it so quickly these days.
And how often do you buy phones? How often do you change phones rather than buying? Or do you get
Whenever
gifted?
they launch a new one, I'm buying one. I think that's the case with everybody there.
Is the best brand ambassador for Big C. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know that I'm related to you? Did you guys know that?
Wow, how?
See, I'm part of Big C family. And so are you now, ladies and gentlemen. So are the 3 crore customer base who are part of the Big C family. You are all related to superstar Mahesh Babu. How about that? Let's hear a round of applause for that. Well, some of our store managers also asked a few questions. And from Vijayawada, Geeta Devi had asked, do you purchase your phone or do you get them gifted by your wife or somebody else?
I think usually my wife gets me a phone.
She selects them, okay.
Yeah.
Point to be noted, sir. We have to talk to Namrata ma'am. From Warangal, Manish has asked, phones are pretty much advanced nowadays. What are the additional features you would like the phones to add in them?
Additional features?
Any additional features?
Smartphones these days, what else do we need? I don't know. I think they have everything in these new phones. So I really don't know what else can they have.
Okay.
Anything that comes to your mind, sir? Because you deal with so many of these smartphones. So I think they pretty much have everything.
And any of the other directors would like to add to that? No? Okay.
I think the 5G, once it comes in, it will be interesting. I think a lot of features will be there. So
Faster
that will be a game changer.
Right, absolutely. Now, what is one important feature that you look at before you get a phone? I'm sure Namrata gets it for you, but what is one feature that you look at? Me, I look at the camera.